Hello guys, my name is Sagar and welcome to my channel Data Driven Tech. So today we are going to see what is scenario manager in what if analysis. So it is a very important topic and in data science data science role or data analyst role we have to count the things on the basis of different scenarios. So how we can do that in Excel? Let's see. So this is a simple table. I have created this table. I have taken some things in the table and I will show you how I can create the table. I will take price as 55 and I will take quantity as 150. Then I'll find total revenue by multiplying these two cells D5 and D6. I'll find the total revenue. Then we have transport cost. So transport cost is the 10% of this total revenue. You can see the formula here. And then we have item cost. So item cost is a 30 into 150, 30 into d6. What does that mean? 30 is the item cost. 30 is the cost of per item, and then we have 150 quantity. So if we multiply 30 into 150, then it will give us 4500. So 30 is per item cost and 150 we have quantity. Then we have total cost. So total cost is the addition of transport cost and item cost. So 825 plus 4500 is our total cost. Then we have profit. So profit is our nothing is total revenue minus total cost. So this is our revenue D5, D7, and this is the total cost D10. So we can see the formula here D7 minus D10, then it is our total profit. So this is a simple table I have created using some formulas. You have to create the same table by using the formulas, because when we apply scenario manager in that and when we apply different scenarios, so all value will change. How we can do that? Let's see. Then first we have to go to data tab. In data tab we have what if analysis. In what if analysis we have scenario manager. Go here, and this is the window. That window will pop up on your screen when you click on scenario manager. So I will first make it little bit wider. Okay, so first we have to go to add, and in add we have to give the scenario. Suppose I want to change the quantity to 200. I want that particular table on different quantities. So first I will add 200 QTY. I will add QTY as quantity, and on by which cell I want to change? I want to change the quantity cell. So quantity is D6. So I will make it D6, and I will make it, I will lock it by using function plus F4. So you can lock that. Then we don't need to change anything else and click on OK. And here change it to 200 and click on OK. I want to add one more scenario on 300 quantity. So 300 QT by D6 is correct, and we want to lock it. So how to lock it? Function plus F4, cell is locked, and click on OK and click it to 300. And then I want to add one more on 400, 400 QTY, cell is RD6, lock that cell, function plus F4. You can use dollar as well. If you want to use dollar, you can do that also, and you can use function plus F4 also. Click on OK and change it to 400. Okay, so our quantity is defined. Suppose now I want to change the price also. So add one more scenario for price. Suppose I want to check on 60. So give it name as 60 price. So now our cell will be changed. Now we are changed our price. So our cell will be D5. Okay, and lock that cell using function plus F4. Cell is locked, and click on OK and make it 60. And here it is. We have one more scenario. I will create one more scenario for 70 price, 70 price, and change that cell to D5 and lock that cell as well, and click on OK and make it 70. So here our scenarios are added. So click on this and show. So your table will be changed on 200. Suppose I want to check that on 300. Click on 300, click on show. The whole table will be changed. Now I want to check on 400, click on 400, click on show. Suppose now I want to change the price. So click on 60, click on show. So your quantity here is 400. Suppose now I want to change the quantity also. So click on 200. Your price quantity is 200, price 60. Suppose I want on 300 and price should be 70. So click on quantity, click on show, click on 70, click on show. So your price is 70, your quantity is 300. So by that way, we can create different type of scenarios in Excel, and it will be very beneficial in when you have to find different use cases. You have to find data on different scenarios. Thank you very much. Bye bye. If you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please like the video, and also put in comment box what you want in coming lectures. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.